Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter 14, how big, how heavy, page number 198, and topic is how heavy am I? Children, do you remember the story of how Vedika's daughter found the weight of an elephant? That is Maths Magic class 4th textbook, page number 143. Now children, here are some questions based that we will go through. Now children, guess how many children of your weight will be equal to the weight of an elephant of 5000 kg. Again, I am repeating the question children. Guess how many children of your weight will be equal to the weight of an elephant of 5000 kg. Now children, here weight of a child of my age, I have taken here 30 kg. Approximation here I have taken that the weight of a child of my age is 30 kg. Now weight of an elephant is how much children? 5000 kg. Now they are asking total number of children weighing 5000 kg will be how many? Now here children, what we have to do? Division. Now if you divide 5000 by 30, you will get children 166.6, that is approximately or equals to 167. So total number of children weighing, the total number of children of weight 30 kg weighing in 5000 kg will be 167. Now children, coming to the next question. See children, at a birth, a baby elephant weighs around 90 kg. How much did you weigh when you were born? Now children, the weight of a baby at birth is about 3 kg. So children, how many times is the baby elephant heavier than you were at birth? What they are telling you children? How many times is a baby elephant heavier than you were at birth? Now children, at birth the weight of baby elephant is 90 kg and my weight at birth was 3 kg. So number of times the baby elephant was heavier than me at birth. See children, number of times a baby elephant heavier than me at birth. Here again I will do division. 90 divided by 3, that will give me 30. So the baby elephant was 30 times heavier than me at birth. Understood children how this we have calculated? Now children, coming to the next question. If a grown-up elephant eats 136 kg of food in a day, then it will eat around dash kg in a month. Now simply children, you multiplied 136 into 30, that will give you 4080 kg in a month. In a month means in 1 month. Now children, guess about how much it will eat in a year. Now you simply multiply this 4080. This is for 1 month. So for 12 months in a year, how many months are there children? 12. So multiply it by 12 and you will get 48,960 kg, that is around 50,000 kg. Understood children? 48,960 kg a grown-up elephant will eat in a year. Now children, Shahid saves the bank. Shahid works in a bank. He sits at the cash counter. Whenever there are too many coins, he does not count them. He just weighs them. Now children, Shahid is a person who cannot see. He sits at a cash counters and whenever there are too many coins, he does not count them. Instead of counting, what he do? He weighs them. Now children, he found that the weight of 5 rupee coin, one 5 rupee coin's weight is 9 gram. Now children, with the help of this, if you tell Shahid the weight of the sack, he will tell you the number of coins in it. Now children, they are telling you to hold these coins and say which is heaviest. Here there is 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. And if you hold these coins in your hands, you will find, of course, which one is heavier children amongst these? Heaviest is 5 rupee coin. Now children, with the help of the example, we will understand this. Now here, see children, my bag of 5 rupees coin weighs 9 kg. So how many coins does it have? Now see children, one coin of 5 rupees is weighing 9 gram. Now in 9 kg, how many grams are there? 9,000 grams. And if you divide by 9, you will find how many coins are there. So 1,000 coins of 5 rupees are there in this bag. Now children, they are asking you how many coins are there in the sack of 5 rupees coin if it weighs 18 kg. Now children, here it is given one 5 rupee coins weighs 9 gram. But this is in kg. So we have to convert this in gram first. Then only we can do the calculation further children. Now here 18 kg, if it is converted in gram, it will become 18,000 gram. Now children, weight of a 5 rupee coin is 9 gram. Therefore, number of 5 rupee coins in 18 kg sack will be, you have to do division. 18,000 divided by 9, that will give you 2,000 coins. Okay. Now children, similarly, we will find for 54 kg. Now children, if the sack is weighing 54 kg, then how many 5 rupees coins are there in this? First, we will convert this in gram. Now children, weight of 54 kg in grams will be 54,000 gram. Number of 5 rupees coin in 54 kg will be, then you have to divide it by 9 children. 54,000 divided by 9, that will give you 6,000 coins. Similarly, C1 children. Now here see, 4,500 gram. It is already given in gram, so we don't have to convert it. Now children, weight of a sack is 4,500 gram. So number of 5 rupees coin in this will be, if you divide 4,500 divided by 9, that you will get 500 coins. Now children, D number question is 2 kg 250 gram. Now here see children, we don't have to convert this. 2 kg will be 2000 plus 250, that will give you 2250 gram. Isn't it? This first we will convert, and then we will find the number of 5 rupees coin in this weight. Now here, divide it by 9 and you will get 250 coins. Now children, again in 1 kg and 125 gram, see here, we will convert this in gram first. So 1 kg and 125 grams in grams, it will become how much children? 1,125 gram. So number of 5 rupees coin in this weight will be, if you simply divide it by 9, you will get 125 coins. Understood? Now children, a 2 rupee coin weighs 6 gram. What is the weight of the sack? Now if 2 rupee coin is weighing 6 gram, then this much coins will weigh what children? Multiply this coins with 6 and you will get here. You will get here children 13,200 gram. That is equal to how many kg and how many grams? Now see children, these three numbers of last you have to leave. Here you have to write 13 kg and 200 gram. Understood? Now children, for 3,000 coins, what will be the weight of a sack? 3,000 into 6 you do, you will get 13,000 gram. How much kg it is children? 18 kg. Now children, if 101 rupee coin weighs 485 gram, then how much will 10,000 coins weight? See children, weight of 101 rupee coins is 485 gram. So weight of 10,000 coins. This coins is becoming how much, children? 100 into 100. So this we will multiply it by 100. You will get it 48,500 gram. That is equal to 48 kg 500 gram. What I did, children, here, this is becoming how many times? 100 times. So this will become also 100 times. Understood? In this way, we got 48 kg 500 gram. Now, children, find out and discuss how do people who cannot see make out different notes and coins. Look for the shape, triangle, rectangle, circle or square or notes of rupees 20, 50, 100, 500, etc. and feel it. Now, children, as the person who cannot see, they can recognize different notes by feeling and touching them. Their sense of touch is well developed. Shapes mentioned above are made to assist blind people in recognizing a note. Now, children, if you take a note, you will see different shapes on that note like triangle, square, circle, rectangle, and these shapes are there so that the blind people can recognize a note. Okay. Now, children, they are asking what should we look for to check if a 100 rupee note is real or fake. Now, children, to recognize whether the note is real or fake, first we should see shape, size of a paper or of that note, style of printing, watermark, the white area with Gandhi's image, Bharat in Hindi, and children, RBI on the shiny security thread. If these are there, then it is with these points we can recognize that the note is real or fake. Children, with this we have completed chapter number 14. Hope you have enjoyed learning this lesson, children. Bye. Have a nice time.